Howling Studio has been producing quality audio and video programs for over 30 years. Standard production tools such as teleprompting and chroma keying are all available. And now, because of high-quality, small-scale gear, cinematic shots such as dolly, tracking, and reveal shots can add quality to your production at an affordable price. Also, the SAU's video drones are now recording exciting aerial shots that are both message supportive as well as beautiful. Howling offers low-cost video drone recording, guaranteed to deliver dynamic images that will visually elevate the quality of your production.